Meaning of herewith.
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 Herewith. Herewith is an adverb that means with this document or statement. It is commonly used in formal or legal documents to introduce something that is being submitted or included. For example, herewith, I am submitting my application for the position of manager. In summary, herewith is a word that signifies the submission or inclusion of a document or statement. It is often used in formal or legal contexts and indicates that the accompanying material is directly related to or relevant to the matter at hand.